Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on creating a 3D view from the ESurvey CAD interface. In this video, you will learn how to create a 3D surface from contour data. If you have generated contours using the ESurvey CAD interface, converting the surface into a 3D model is simple. After viewing the contour data, click the 3D icon. The Export 3D window will appear. Click the CAD button. The software exports the 3D surface and opens it in a new CAD drawing window. Once the surface is available in CAD, you can use shading and 3D viewing tools to explore the terrain from any desired angle. Quick 3D visualization within ESurvey CAD. If your objective is only to view the terrain in 3 dimensions without exporting it to CAD, simply enable the 3D View checkbox within ESurvey CAD. The software will instantly display the contour surface in a 3D environment, allowing you to inspect the terrain quickly and efficiently. Exporting the 3D surface to Google Earth. Another powerful option is to export the contour surface as a KML file. This feature is available to users who have licensed the ESurvey KML module. After exporting the KML file, open it in Google Earth. If the survey data is in its correct geographic coordinates, the 3D surface will appear at its actual ground location. You can then explore the terrain using Google Earth's powerful 3D visualization capabilities. This option is particularly useful for project presentations, site inspections, and sharing terrain models with clients and stakeholders. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.